All right, just like an IPv4, in IPv6, we do have special types of addresses, right? So let's break this down. What is that? It's a double colon. What does that mean? They're all zeros, right? So that's the source address of a host before the host receives an IP address when you sign up. So that's like a default, all zeros, okay? That's what that is. You can't use it, reserved address. Colon 1, what is that? That's your loopback. And what's good about it is you have a loopback per interface, all right? But it's the same address. It's not like IPv4 where the whole 127 range from 127.0.0.1 to 127.255, 255, 127.255, 254, all right? The whole range was for loopback. Here, you have only one address, all right? This is how I got lazy. I didn't want to put an IPv6 address, so I just put all zeros. So this is how a combination, if you had an IPv4 address mixed with an IPv6, this is how it will look, okay? The IPv6 address in the front and the IPv4 in the back, okay? Special scenarios. You know already this is a globally unicast address, global unicast address. This is a unique local address. Here's your link local, and here are some multicast addresses. The range for multicast is FF00/8. That's the range. But now these are the addresses that I need you to really memorize. Not only the FE80, it's the only link local address, FE80. Forget about the rest that comes after that because there's a whole bunch of other ones, okay? But it's always FE80. Link local, FE80. All right. So for your routers, all right, RIPNG FF02:9. That's for RIP. FF02:9. For EIGRP, FF02:A. :A. And then for OSPF, FF02:5 and 6. Because remember, we have the DR and the BDR. All right, the DR and the BDR. That's why we have two addresses like we did in IPv4. 224.0.0.5, 224.0.0.6. Here, we're just putting a multicast in FF02. All right, because remember, we have a range that we can use. All right, so those are the multicast addresses that your routing protocols, and this is what you need. I have it right here for you, RIP, EIGRP, and OSPF. And I'm telling you right here, this is your link local and global, and you need to, and remember, it's also FC and FD. Okay, so, but these right here, guaranteed for your routing protocols, memorize them. Memorize them because you need to know them. You need to know them. You may get asked questions on that. And your loopback. So, is this a valid address? Obviously, leading zeros, right? I took them all out. Cool. That's a valid address. It's just a mixed version of both. So this is why we got to get into the concepts. You're going to take it slow, step by step. Easy does it. You need to memorize these addresses. Just recognize when you look at it, what is it that you're looking at? All right. And like here, global or local or link local or multicast or mixed of both, loopback or like a default. Okay. All zeros, colon, all zeros. That's it. That's all there's to that. So you have the table. So go over it and over and over it. Because yes, IPv6 is going to be a big part of this certification. And you need to know the two tables that I just showed you. You need to know those addresses. All right? That's it. I'll see you in the next.